A curtsy lunge is a lower body exercise, where you step one leg diagonally behind your body, like a curtsy. Instead of stepping straight back, like a regular lunge, you cross behind in, which targets your glutes, especially glute medius, and inner thighs more. How to do a curtsy lunge, step by step. 1. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart. 2. Step your right leg back and across behind your left leg. 3. Lower your hips until front thigh parallel to floor. Back knee points toward ground. 4. Keep chest upright and core tight. 5. Push through your front heel to return to standing. 6. Repeat on the other side. Form tips, important for glute focus. Slight forward lean, more glutes. Keep front knee tracking over toes. Don't collapse inward. Move slow and controlled. Avoid twisting your knee. Muscles worked. Primary: gluteus maximus, gluteus medius. Secondary: quads, hamstrings, inner thighs, adductors, calves. Stabilizers: core, hips. Benefits of curtsy lunges: builds rounder glutes, targets side glutes, one shape and lift. Improves balance and coordination. Better hip stability, great for injury prevention. Tones inner thighs, hard to hit area. Functional movement: multi-direction strength versus basic lunges. Curtsy lunge variations, perfect for your fitness content. 1. Body weight curtsy lunge, best for beginners. Focus on form and balance. 2. Dumbbell curtsy lunge, adds resistance, more glute growth. Hold dumbbells at sides or goblet position. 3. Curtsy lunge plus knee drive, great for balance plus core, adds explosive movement. 4. Pulse curtsy lunge, stay low and pulse, intense glute burn. Have curtsy lunge with mini band above knees, activates glute medius more, perfect for booty shaping. 6. Jump curtsy lunge, adds cardio plus power, burns more calories. 7. Curtsy lunge plus side leg raise, targets outer glutes, great for hip shaping. Common mistakes: knee collapsing inward, twisting hips too much, going too shallow, no depth, less results, using momentum instead of control. Pro tip for glute growth: if your goal is bigger, rounder glutes, lean slightly forward, push through heel. Add bands, plus weights, plus pulses combo. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more workout.